Imagine understanding every word a native English speaker says. And yeah, responding naturally without hesitation. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what we're working on today. This lesson is designed to transform your listening and speaking skills through real conversation practice. And trust me, if you stick with this method, you'll notice massive improvements in just a few weeks. So let's dive right in. All right, first things first. You're about to hear a natural English conversation between two friends, Emma and Jake. Just relax. Oh, and focus on understanding the overall meaning. Don't stress about catching every single word, okay? That's the secret to building real comprehension skills. Jake: Hey Emma, you seem really excited today. What's going on? Emma: Oh, nothing major. I just started learning Spanish last week, and I'm already loving it. Jake: That's awesome. What made you decide to learn Spanish? Emma: Well, my company is opening an office in Mexico, and I thought it would be super useful. Plus, I've always wanted to visit Barcelona. Jake: Smart move. How are you learning it? Are you taking classes? Emma: Actually, I'm using this language app. It has games, quizzes, and even speaking exercises. Jake: Nice. Is the app free, or did you have to pay for it? Emma: There's a free version, but I got the premium subscription. It was totally worth it because I get access to live tutors. Jake: That sounds perfect. I've been thinking about learning French. Maybe I should try something similar. Emma: Yeah, exactly. You should definitely give it a shot. Learning languages opens so many doors. Jake: You're right. I'll look into it this weekend. Now, let's break down some key phrases from that conversation. Haha, don't worry. I'll make this super simple. 1. Seem. Verb. Meaning to appear or give the impression of being something. Example: You seem tired today. Did you sleep well? 2. Smart move. Phrase. Meaning a clever or wise. Example: Buying that laptop on sale was a smart move. 3. Give it a shot. Idiom. Meaning to try something, usually for the first time. Example: I've never played tennis, but I'll give it a shot this weekend. Repeat these phrases out loud 3 times. Yeah, seriously, do it now. Repetition is how your brain locks in new vocabulary. Time to test your understanding. I'll ask questions about the conversation, and I want you to answer out loud before I give you the answer. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Did Emma seem sad today? Answer: No, she didn't seem sad. She seemed excited. Question 2. Why did Emma start learning Spanish? Answer: Because her company is opening an office in Mexico and she wants to visit Barcelona. Question 3. Is the language app completely free? Answer: No, it's not completely free. Emma uses the premium version. Question 4. What language is Jake thinking about learning? Answer: He's thinking about learning French. Oh, nice work! Answering questions like this trains your brain to process English faster. Keep practicing this technique. Here's where the magic happens. Shadowing means repeating exactly what you hear, matching the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. This technique is used by professional interpreters, and yeah, it works incredibly well. Listen and repeat after me. You seem really excited today. What's going on? I just started learning Spanish last week, and I'm already loving it. What made you decide to learn Spanish? It has games, quizzes, and even speaking exercises. That sounds perfect. I'll look into it this weekend. Focus on copying the natural flow and intonation. Don't rush. Just match the rhythm. You've just completed a full English practice session with English Mastery Podcast. I'm Vey, and I'm super proud of you for making it through. Oh, remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent practice like this. Here, you'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. Here's my challenge for you. Watch this video at least 3 times this week. Each time, you'll understand more, speak more clearly, and feel more confident. Yeah, exactly. That's how real progress happens. If you loved this lesson, make sure to check out our other videos for even more practice. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. You've got this!